GPS has now led me down this dirt road. I thought it was only going to be short and able to turn around, but it just said follow for another 130 kilometers. It's really not great when you're towing a jet ski. Oh, corrugations. Ooh, that was like ice. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god. Great. Kangaroos. There is just nothing out here. Currently at 1,500 kilometers into the trip. Got a few hundred more to go. I'll keep you updated. Made it to the country house. Jet ski has a new paint job. Oh my god, I got a bit of cleaning up to do here. It's been almost 12 months since I've been here. Leaves and stuff everywhere. And the fun begins.